Is your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M428 FDW or M429 feeling a little sluggish or outdated? Well, this W2Q1360103 control panel replacement from ZHSHYIN might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. It's a brand new quality touchscreen unit designed to breathe new life into your printer, specifically for models like the M428, M429, and M329 series. Forget those clunky old buttons. This brings a modern, responsive interface to your fingertips. Now the specs here are a bit interesting. It lists Bluetooth connectivity, which is a bit unusual for a printer control panel itself, and a dot matrix printing technology, which is definitely not what the M428fdw uses. It also mentions an auto document feeder as a special feature, which is a function of the printer, not the panel. And the print speeds are listed at a mere 1 ppm for both color and monochrome, which is clearly a placeholder or a misunderstanding of what this part actually does. This panel's job isn't to print, it's to control the printing. The tiny 0.39-inch dimensions are also clearly not representative of the actual panel size, which is designed to fit the printer's existing slot. What this part really offers is a fresh, vibrant touchscreen experience. If your current panel is cracked, unresponsive, or just plain old, this replacement is a fantastic way to restore full functionality and a more intuitive user experience. Imagine navigating menus, setting up print jobs, and managing settings with a smooth, modern touchscreen. It's about making your workflow easier and more efficient. The new quality designation suggests it's not a refurbished part, which is always a good sign for longevity and reliability. While the listed specs are a bit of a mess, the core function of this part is to provide a working, updated control interface for compatible HP LaserJet Pro MFP models. It's a straightforward replacement that can make a significant difference in how you interact with your printer daily. So, if your HP MFP is still chugging along, but its control panel is showing its age, this ZHSHYIN replacement is a solid option to consider for a smoother, more modern operation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.